Hey guys. That's what I said. Crap. So. Ah! Get away from me. Listen, I know your friend's in the hospital. It doesn't mean you have to be annoying. At Savannah's house. So I'm like, whatever. Yeah. Come on, let's go to my room. Okay, Savannah. Ow. Crap. Ow. Boo. Whoa. You scare me. I do that a lot. How come you didn't bring your phone to school? Every girl does that. I thought it wasn't allowed. Were you in a cheerleading squad? Yeah. Who's that picture of? Maroon 5. Come on, let's go downstairs. Ow! Hey! I don't know what that was for. Why do you have a wine cellar? We just do. We usually store wine in there. How come you guys don't have a TV? We don't like TV. Did you know it can hurt your brain? Whatever. You know, we could just walk up this way. We usually walk up the other way because we need to exercise. This is my bad room. When I'm bad, I go to sleep in there. So it has a bed. Or at least lucky it has a bed. True. Come on, let's go. Alright, I gotta go. Bye. Bye-bye. Time for bed. Oh, it's morning. Now I gotta get downstairs and... Yeah. Mom, I'm going to school. Alright. Wait, first I need to get dressed. Okay, I'm all ready. At school. You're back, man. You were a cheerleader? Cool. I know, it's cool that she was a cheerleader. Hey. Ugh, don't even bother. You are so stupid. Oh, not you. He is. Yeah, he gets that a lot. Ow! Move it. Who's she? The new mean bully at school. You want to mess with me? Thought so. Get out. Get out of the bathroom. No. Ow! Snap. Oh, well, look at this. A little baby. Hey, let go of her. Hang on. Oh, cool. She saved us. Get up, dude. Whatever. Hey. Okay, you can go. Are you doing eyes on my girlfriend? No, I'm just scared of her, man. Oh, okay, man. Yeah, alright. At Savannah's house. Come on in. How do you know where I live? Doesn't matter. I want a rematch. Oh. You win. Get out of my wine cellar. Comment, rate, and subscribe. No, seriously, you should. Or else I'll kill you. Bum 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 bum. Bloopers. Hey, I just met you, and it's crazy. So here's what. That wasn't a good idea. Scheisse. Scheisse. Alright. What? Get out of the picture. Scheisse. Scheisse. What the crap is that? What the heck? She's the new... Scheisse. So she's the new bully. Well, everyone...